Did you know there's a law that lets you access government records? Since 1967, the Freedom of Information Act, or FOIA, has given the public the right to request records from any federal agency. FOIA is all about transparency and accountability. Agencies must disclose the requested information unless it concerns personal privacy or national security. Any person can file a FOIA request, including U.S. citizens, foreign nationals, businesses, organizations, and state and local governments. When processing requests, agencies should only withhold information if it's prohibited by law. They should try to release as much information as possible. To submit a FOIA request, you need to identify the agency holding the records, write a clear request specifying the information you need, and submit it to the agency's FOIA office via mail, email, or their online portal. The government must respond to a FOIA request within 20 business days. In special cases, this deadline can be extended by an additional 10 business days. In addition to FOIA, each U.S. state has its own version of the Public Records Law. These laws grant public access to government records and documents at the state and local levels. If you want to learn more about compliance and data archiving, like this video and subscribe to our channel.